Good morning or afternoon or night, my artists. Today we're going to be looking at how to make our very own stickers that are removable and super durable and can look really professional. I'm also going to teach you how to make a lotus dripping flower. They are kind of cool. So if you want to figure out how to make this and how to make your very own stickers, keep watching.
Alright, so for my sticker, I made something really cool. It's this lotus with these drips, Zentangle lily pad, and a lotus on top. So I'm going to teach you right now how to draw this, but with your own little flair. Alright, so first thing you're going to need is that center petal of your lotus. So I'm going to draw a big V into a raindrop shape. Then I'm going to draw another raindrop shape with a V going to the right and another going to the left. I'm going to do that 2 more times. Going to the right, going to the left. Okay, now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting petals behind. Boop, boop. So it looks like they're overlapping. On this one, I also put kind of like a crown up top. So if you did want to make your sticker look exactly like mine, I just draw crowns above all my petals. It kind of does give it a little bit more dimension. It's kind of cool. Now what I'm going to do, to the left of my last petal, I'm going to draw another V right there. And then I'm just going to draw a curved line to behind my petal and a curved line to behind my other petal. Now to make it look 3-dimensional, I'm going to just draw a line down right here. And then I'm going to follow this line to the middle of my V. I'm going to do the same thing right here on this bend. And then I'm going to again draw along that contour, draw another line. Now if you want those drips that are really cool right now, I'm just going to draw a line down, loop, down, loop, down, loop, down, loop. Make sure they're kind of all different sizes. We want them to look kind of slimy and drippy. Boom. I'm also going to do that to the inside of my V. Just draw a little bit of slime in there. Wonderful. Now I'm going to draw the middle part of my lily pad. It's just a line that curves in. And lily pads curve in, so I'm going to draw a curved line away. I'm really following the contour lines. Now if you want to, you can add different lines and shapes and Zentangles into the lines and shapes here. You can color it however you want. I've gone with a rainbow pattern and different reflections and coolness, but you can do whatever you want with yours. And then all you gotta do is color it and cut it up like I've just done. Okay, and then we're gonna go on to taping. Here's a design that I took quite a bit of time. I Zentangled the lily pad. I made the lotus really cool and psychedelic looking. I even have those awesome drips that are really popular right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out according to all my little shapes. Okay, it's going to also make it look a lot neater. So I have my big long sheet of packing tape and making sure that it's super clean, there's no fur or dust or anything, making sure that my drawing is super clean. Put on a super clean surface. I'm going to first lay my drawing out, then I'm going to go from the middle of my drawing, press down that tape, make sure there are no air bubbles at all, and press down that tape in the middle. Then I'm going to do it again. press down that tape. I'm gonna overlap my two pieces of tape just a little bit. You will see that seam, but it'll still look nice and professional. Don't want any air bubbles. Cut off your tape. Again, overlap a little teeny tiny bit. It'll still look nice and professional. Lay it down so there's no air bubbles. Cut off your tape. Make sure you always overlap your tape end so you can find it later. We've all been there. Then you're gonna start to peel up your sticker from your table. Make sure the entire tape comes up. Okay, so this is super important. You're going to do the other side. You're essentially going to be laminating this. So I flipped over my drawing. Now again, I want to start in the middle. Lay it down so there are no air bubbles at all. Cut this off. And then keep taping it. Okay, so now that you've taped both sides of your sticker, whoa. Now all you have to do is cut it out, and then you're ready for your third layer of tape. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so now that you've all cut it out, it's beautiful. It's really cool in the back if you use markers. Now what you gotta do is, if you do want to stick it onto something, which I want to stick it onto my laptop, is just do one final layer of tape. I know that the 3 layers is kind of crazy, but it's just to really protect your drawing. You want it to be super waterproof, super durable, especially because I'm going to put it on my computer. You do need to take care in applying the tape. You do need to take care in cutting it out. I mean, this is just a really good lesson in craftsmanship, right? You don't want to have a sticker that kind of looks bad, right? Alrighty. Applying my final layer of tape. Now that I've done all these layers, my drawing is super rigid, so it should just peel right up. I don't have to be too careful about it anymore. It's super protected. And finally, it's the last time that I have to cut around my edges. I do want to keep a little bit of an edge for me to stick it onto my computer, okay? So let's do another time lapse. So now I have that sticker. I have a little bit of some stickiness on here. And now what I can do is just place it wherever I want on my computer. And the best part about these stickers is that they're super removable because they're nice and durable. So if I messed up on my placement, I could just remove it and put it somewhere else. So now I have this really cool sticker that I made all by myself. I'm really proud of it. I think it's really cool, and I can't wait to see what you guys make.